Where we are now is off of the exit coming off of 93 South, the exit people would have taken to get to the Callahan Tunnel, Logan Airport. We were just down in the tunnel where the contractor is still doing the demolition of the old concrete slab that supports the road deck. They're using high water pressure, hydraulic demolition, to remove the old concrete down to the top of the steel beams that are part of the tunnel structure itself. Our plan is to remove the concrete and the old reinforcing and then come in with new reinforcement and pour a new concrete deck, which will support the traffic when we reopen the tunnel. We still allow cars to get to Government Center, but we blocked off access to the Callahan Tunnel, and we're recommending people continue south on 93 and use exit 18 in the Haul Road.